Hello everyone, you are all welcome to lecture number 1309, and today's topic is some latest technologies or methods which are used to produce plasma, and there are four methods or technologies. But before going to those technologies, let me brief you about the production of plasma. As you know, in previous lecture I have already told you that there are three states of matter on this earth, and that three states are solid, liquid and gaseous form. So if you want to produce plasma, that is the fourth state, in that case you have to supply the energy to that matter. So first, that matter, if it is in solid state, it will be changed into liquid state. Again you have to supply more, then it will be changed into gaseous state, but still it is not in plasma state. Again you have to supply more energy so that the electron which is bounded with nucleus will become free. It will be released, and then there will be swap of ions, positive, negative, with electron, and even some of the particles in that show of flux of plasma, some particles are not ionized, so the whole together is known as plasma. So to create the plasma is not that enough energy that once any solid or a metallic material is vaporized into gaseous form. No. After reaching to gaseous form, again you have to supply more and more energy, very high amount of energy, so that it is converted into ions, ionized, and that a particular energy, I have already told you in the previous lecture, is called ionization energy. Ionization energy for any substance, element, metal, means at that particular energy, that particular substance will be converted into plasma state, that is fourth state. And this fourth state is having lot of applications that I will be discussing later. First, let me discuss these four methods, and in these methods what they are doing by any mean in the gaseous form. They have discharge energy, either it is atmospheric air, atmospheric ion, or some gaseous are created. By any mean you have to supply that much energy, where that gaseous state is converted into plasma state, means that neutral atom in the gaseous state cannot resist, and the electrons will be freed and they all will be ionized. That state is plasma state, and I have already told you all these plasma states under normal temperature and pressure is not existing on this earth. We have to create the plasma state, and this plasma state is already there in sun and in stars. So what scientists today, they are looking for the nuclear fusion. In nuclear fusion, if they can create such type of situation where the substance or material, what it is under observation or under experimentation, if they are converted into plasma state, then it will help a lot in nuclear fusion technology. FUSION. There are two nuclear energy source. One is by fission, where heavy nucleus is bombarded to split into chain reaction of millions and millions of nuclei. But here, in the case of fusion, where plasma is created is small nucleus, like two hydrogen in isotopic form. They will be fused at high temperature, and that temperature is created by laser beam, and that laser beam will convert into plasma state. So laser beam and plasma, they will combine together, these two technologies, and there will be formation of plasma like sun. And that I mentioned. Lot of people ask many questions from me. Then how are you saying that every country will be having its own sun? Yeah, if they can create that plasma by creating, fusing two hydrogens, then it will be in the form of sun. You put in the orbit. If in case, because sun is using the energy, chain reaction is going on in the form of plasma, and time may come that sun may lose its solar energy. And once sun is losing its solar energy, somebody asked, I said, by that time, human intelligence will be capable enough to produce their own suns and to put in orbit. Why I am saying this? Today Elon Musk, he is having 7,000 satellites in orbit. They are orbiting around the Earth. And another 30,000 he is aiming to inject in the orbit around the Earth. And they are orbiting. And here the concept of orbiting is there only for definite path of any substance which is moving in circular path. So once, that is also very important to understand to make the plasma form. When I am saying plasma form means electron is released. So if electron is bounded in definite path around the nucleus, it was not possible, very difficult. But actually electrons are not moving in the definite path. In electronic microscope, they have found that around the nucleus, there are some cloud of electrons here and there. The maximum probability of finding the electron around the nucleus. So that is in the form of, then the concept of photon came, energy form. And then they found that if enough energy is supplied, that neutral atom or neutral molecule can be ionized. And once it is ionized, where electrons are knocked down, and there is mixture of ions and electrons, that is your plasma state, fourth state of substance or matter. So here I have pointed out, these are the four latest technologies which are used to produce plasma. First is called DBD technology. The DBD technology full form is direct barrier discharge. Whatever technologies they have to use such type of energy, whether it is electrical energy, whether it is the direct current, AC, DC, disc, or the second one is piezoelectric substance, which is direct electric in nature. So such type of plates and discharges are used to produce huge amount of energy, so that the neutral atom, neutral molecules, they can be converted by making the electron free from their cloud. I don't say orbit, because it is from their cloud very close to nucleus influence. So number two is PDD technology. PDD technology means it is piezoelectric direct discharge. And there are some material, they are piezoelectric, dielectric property they have, and under certain pressure they discharge. And then number three is PAA technology. PAA technology means pulse atmospheric arc. And number four is APP technology, that is atmospheric pressure plasma. So I am going to show you the technologies. This is direct barrier discharge method, that is DBD. And here the electrodes are used and they are discharging, and where the neutral atoms are ionized, and there is formation of plasma. It is piezoelectric discharge technology, PDD, and here you can see that how the ions as well as electrons influx is produced, that is in the form of plasma, that is called PDD technology. It is pulse atmospheric arc technology, that is called PAS technology, and from atmosphere they are collecting the gases, and that gases are ionized, and that is forming plasma soap by knocking down of the electron from neutral molecule and atoms, and there will be influx of positive negative ions along with electron. It is atmospheric pressure plasma, APP technology, and with that electrode it is shown that how after absorbing huge amount of energy and that substance is converted into plasma, means positive negative ions along with free electrons which are released from the neutral atoms and molecules. So those four technologies I have already told you, and you have seen the images. It's all nothing but how to ionize by supplying the ionization energy so that the electron is knocked down from neutral atom and molecules, and they are the soap of ions with electrons. So number one is DVD technology. The full form is direct barrier discharge technology, and this is the latest technology. Uses electric discharges in the air or working gases to produce plasma. In the air they use discharge. You might have seen discharge in the ionosphere. In the previous lecture I have already told you that electrical lightning or sparking is nothing but the production of plasma in the gaseous form in presence of ionization energy in space. So the same type of technique or technology or method they are using to produce plasma, and this technology is environmentally friendly. Number two, PDD technology. PDD technology means piezoelectric direct discharge. I have already told you that piezoelectric means there are such type of materials, they are dielectrical, and under certain pressure they are used as a discharge material. So this technology uses piezoelectric materials to generate plasma, making it suitable for sensitive process that requires cold active plasma. And number three, PAAC technology. PAAC technology means pulse atmospheric arc. This technology produces high energy plasma arcs and making it ideal for fast processes that require maximum performance. And number four is APP technology to produce plasma, that is atmospheric pressure plasma. This technology produces plasma at atmospheric pressure, eliminating the need for explosive vacuum chambers and pumps. And this technology of producing a plasma today is versatile and can be integrated in various production lines. So with this I will stop today, and in the next lecture still I will continue. Now it is the important applications of plasma and plasma technology, especially in nuclear fusion, to produce huge amount of energy for our use, and some other devices like plasma TV and plasma mobile, so many other electronic gadgets. Once again, thank you very much for watching the lecture.